If you're looking for a special truck, this is it. 835 Five Chop Road, Orangeburg, South Carolina. We have a 22.5 new body AT4X, one owner, 23,000 miles, plenty of factory warranty left, hard cover on the back, kicker radio system, sunroof, navigation, loaded with Google software, 6.2 V8 gas, four-wheel drive, heated and cooled seats, massaging seats. It's got it all. One owner, clean Carfax, local trade. Check that front end out. Power windows, locks, mirrors, tilt, cruise, everything you'd expect on a GMC. 835 Five Chop Road in the middle of the Superior Auto Mile. Give me a call, 1-800-768-0115, 803-534-1123, or give me a call on my cell, 803-707-1668. Rear camera mirror, huge backup camera, loaded with features. Give me a call, 803-534-1123.